Artificial intelligence, AI, is rapidly changing the world, and the field of academia is no exception. AI-powered tools are being developed to help students with everything from research to writing to learning new skills, but are these tools a good thing for students? Or do they pose a threat to academic integrity? Higher education institutions and academic research journals are exploring the options to regulate the use of AI. There is a discussion on the table to find a way, either from no AI to total AI allowance in academic writing. Since there is already a developed platform that can estimate text plagiarism using platforms like Turnitin and Authenticate, we need to explore the thresholds to which we could allow AI into academic writing. Then, the next challenge will be how to measure it. This video will discuss the merits and demerits of allowing AI platforms like ChatGPT and Bard for academic students, will include arguments for and against their inclusion, and will ultimately conclude whether these tools benefit students. This will help develop a debate on how we can inculcate AI into the academic learning expedition of our youth. Arguments for AI in academia. There are many arguments in favor of allowing AI platforms in academia. Here are a few of the most compelling. AI can help students learn faster and more efficiently. AI-powered tools can personalize learning for each student, provide immediate feedback, and help students identify areas where they need more help, but this advantage can be extracted if the student has basic knowledge about the subject. AI can help students with research. AI can help students find relevant sources, summarize complex information, and generate new ideas. Research learning can be maximized with this, but it does not guarantee that it will lead to increased publications. As academia is still debating whether to allow AI writing tools, AI can help students write better term papers and dissertations. AI can help students with grammar, spelling, and style, and it can also help students generate new ideas and arguments. Here boundaries need to be identified. If the AI provides the pre-written text or provides guidance on the written text, AI can help students prepare for exams. AI can help students practice answering questions, identify their strengths and weaknesses, and develop strategies for success. The challenge is that AI tools can hallucinate and provide wrong factual information and references. Newly developed AI tools can increase productivity in statistical summarization and visualization of outcomes. It can revolutionize academic writing and help bridge the gap between academia and industry. You can notice that this video is also an integration of human and AI ability. Arguments against AI in academia. There are also some arguments against allowing AI platforms in academia. Here are a few of the most common. AI could lead to cheating. AI-powered tools could be used to generate plagiarized content or to answer exam questions without actually learning the material. It will reduce the confidence of the supervisor and the student in terms of their ability to write. The AI could devalue the work of students. If students can use AI to do their work for them, then what is the point of going to school? The conventional assessment methods will become redundant if total AI is allowed. The learning evolution process will deteriorate when ready-made solutions are available. AI could lead to job losses for professors. If AI can do the work of professors, then why do we need professors? The conventional lecturing method will face challenges if total AI is allowed. The issue with partially or fully allowing AI is that no tools currently developed can distinguish between ethical or unethical usage of AI, similar to context and text-based plagiarism. There will be pressure on the evaluators to assess subjectively if the submitted manuscript is ethically unplagiarized and non-AI. Conclusion: so, are AI platforms a good thing for students, or do they pose a threat to academic integrity? The answer is not simple. There are both benefits and risks associated with using AI in academia. Ultimately, it is up to each individual institution to decide whether or not to allow AI platforms on campus. However, it is important to remember that AI is a powerful tool. It can be used for good or evil. But the challenge is that there is a very thin line in between that is evaporating over time. Every day new AI-driven tools are developed, and the instructor, teacher or supervisor cannot keep up and develop interventional measures. It is up to us to ensure that AI is used for good in academia. We need to develop policies and procedures that protect students from AI risks while also allowing them to reap the benefits. recommendations. To ensure that AI is used for good in academia, we need to take the following steps. Develop policies and procedures that protect students from the risks of AI, such as plagiarism and cheating. Students should be taught with ethical means of using AI and maximizing learning. Universities can purchase full versions of necessary AI tools and provide regulated access to their students so that they can focus their learning from them rather than using random software, which is unregulated. Educate students about the potential risks and benefits of AI. Students must be equipped with basic knowledge to evaluate the authenticity of the outcomes provided by AI tools. Provide students with training on how to use AI responsibly. Each academic assessment must be improved and clarify what it expects from human ability and the use of AI, so that students can demonstrate their knowledge and ability to use technology. Monitor the use of AI in academia to ensure that it is being used for good. AI tools for academic purposes must disclose what are commonly researched topics or trending keywords on their platforms in their periodic reports so that academic institutions should adapt and intervene in their assessment development. International and national governing bodies must form AI regulatory boards to set boundaries on what AI can provide to individuals. This AI revolution can reduce the knowledge attainment gap in developed and developing countries, but it can also be used to create cultural and religious rifts. Education institutions must quickly develop new forms of assessments which can differentiate between AI ability and human ability to answer. Undoubtedly, students should learn to use technology to their advantage, but the learning side assessment must be reinforced. By taking these steps,